Hi guys, I start this a little bit soon, but if we have to do OG, stay back on maybe and suffer if it's maybe. If you don't hear me, okay, I got it out. Okay, alright. Ah, it's glitchy. OMG. Oh, is that a camera? Oh, hi. Can you see me? OMG, they can see me. Wait, what's this? Wait. Look, what is this place? OMG. What was that place? Okay. Alright. So, what? Enjoy your flight. I will not enjoy my flight. I don't have to waste Robux. Hey, don't have to waste Robux. Don't have Robux. I'm not gonna enjoy my day. What? By chairs? Oh, I didn't know. But stairs. By stairs. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. By stairs. Wait, is there on the second flight by stairs? No, I need more money. I'm gonna save for those stairs. That's how much money for stairs. This is expensive. Look, whoever made this, is so ripped off. I hate this guy or girl, whoever made this game. I'm sorry, I didn't move. What? What? Just kidding. What? What did I wait? Do I have that much money now? OMG! OMG! Can you guys see this? If you guys can see this, make sure to like this. Okay. But I think you guys can't see it because you know. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm gonna stop. Oh, OMG, that's a lot. Let's grow, man. Let's grow. Oh, ah. Oh, I'm not gonna die. OMG. So, who's that? What? Who is that? Are you dumb? If you heard that sound, I'm so sorry. That was my parents. Oh. OMG, okay. 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 I needed to do something, sorry. I'm going crazy. Look at my money bar, guys, over here. Over there. Over there. Over there. Over there. Does it look like it's this much for stairs? Look. Compared to my money. Is that how much real stairs cost? No. So how if who made this? I'm gonna ban them. Just kidding, I don't know how to ban people actually. OMG! I can't believe I got the stair. Oh, I love it! Is this how I get excited for stairs? Actually. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, okay. Finally got what? Okay, that's Robux. I don't care. Okay. Oh, I love it! Ow! Is that Cookie? I love Cookie. Oh no, it's a muffin. I don't like muffins. I just like cookies. Especially the ones we have at home. I love them. What's going on? Okay, let's go back. OMG, I hate. I don't hate this. I don't hate this. I'm sorry. Wait, did you make me lag? Whoever's watching this, did you make me lag? Answer me. Answer me now. Sorry. Sorry. What? Is this my fault? I was just fooling around. There. Bro, why do we have an upstairs if there's no thing? Why so scary? Hi! 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 Okay. It's time to get food. Wait, oh, did it get said food? Okay. This TV is so small. It's glitchy. Super glitchy, actually. Don't watch my videos. It's the sound's fault, not my fault. I'm just making a video, okay? Do I look like I'm fine? What did you say? I'm fine? Do I look like I'm fine, girl? Or guy, whoever you are? Do I look like I'm fine? Oh, and you look like a girl and a boy. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Why do I keep saying whatever? I can't stop. You, you do. They're all twins. Hey, let's go. Hey, can I? You are British. I'm unavailable to. Not my style. Background music off. Owner only playing. Owner only. No, okay. Okay. So glitchy. Look. Look. I'm not even. OMG. I hate. Hey. No looking. Ow. What in... OMG, this is so glitchy. I can't even turn this around. I can't even turn my what? I think I have to part 2 and I have to do this all over again. I'm never gonna do this. No, I wanna drown. Yeah. Bye.